want some. Mmm.
Why don't you pull your sandwich up and eat your sandwich as well? I'm gonna come in for a couple close-ups real quick. Oh my god. The bird and you doing that is amazing.
Good want some. Good want some. That's good.
Cool. Okay. No. I'm really tight.
Good want some.
Okay, cool. All right. So then she's eating, and then he interrupts her with the soup, right? That was
I don't
great.
have to take her.
She can hang out where she is, I think.
She's getting pissed off that we keep taking her treat
I
away.
bet. Yeah, she can totally.